Hello, and welcome to Room Reader. I'm Noah Rosenfield, and today I'll be walking you through our tool for automated room detection for architectural blueprints. Manual annotation of room shapes and wall boundaries is a tedious and time-consuming task. With Room Reader, we can automate this by passing the images we want to process through a machine learning model that has been trained on an annotated blueprint dataset. We have two techniques available which produce slightly different results. The first is the room model. It's been deployed in a Docker container to AWS and is accessed through a Lambda function, so it's available for public consumption through our user-facing React web app. This one has been trained to detect the bounding boxes around rooms, and so if we select our first blueprint here, room 1, we'll see a preview on the left, and we'll get a copy of the image with the detected rooms on the right. Hovering over a room shows you the confidence score for that room, and you can see here that most of the rooms are in the 80 to 90 or above range. The one exception is the driveway here, which has a confidence score of around 57. If we increase our confidence threshold up to, say, 65, and then rerun our detection, you'll see that we've very nearly assessed all the rooms and enclosed spaces properly. The one possible exception here is the toilet, which is walled off, so potentially would be considered a separate room from the rest of the bathroom, but really just depends on how you're viewing this. If we change our model to the wall detection technique and run it again, you'll see that you get very nearly the same result, but this one is going to end up excluding the semi-enclosed patio space, and it's going to find the exact vertices of the interior walls. So it also excludes this area here. If we can maybe not lag out. Okay, let's try this run one more time. Sometimes our Lambda function falls asleep. There we go. That was pretty quick. So yes, again, you can see this one excludes, it didn't find a room where the driveway is, and over here in this corner, it's not going outside the boundaries of our overall house. It also excluded the interior, or rather the semi-enclosed patio here. So depending on your exact needs, one model or the other might be preferable. If we go ahead and take a look at our second room, we can run this with our wall detection pipeline. This one has a slightly more open floor plan, which wraps around the bathroom here. And so you can see we actually get a pretty good job of conjoining what you might consider to be one single room all the way through the house here. Now, if we change this to our room model and we run this detection again, you'll see that we get a clear separation at all major boundaries and partial boundaries. Both models allow you to save your results out to the composite image and the JSON, as well as giving you room details down below. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of Room Reader, and thanks for watching.